as Fashion Institute in Islamabad.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are well. Welcome to our channel. Today is our class number 9 of Advanced Fashion Designing course. And our today's topic is about the fashion illustration. In this video, we will see the intro, the concept, and the importance of fashion illustration in the fashion designing. And also, we will illustrate our first dress in our advanced course. So let's start our video. Fashion illustration is an art of displaying your designs in the paper form. It is mainly used by the fashion designers to display their designs on paper. It is a very important part of the fashion designing because it mainly focuses on your designs. The main role of fashion illustrator is to convey the designs through the fashion drawing. The main purpose to do the fashion illustration is to help the viewer imagine and understand something better. When you illustrate or sketch a dress, it helps you to understand whether the design you created looks good or not. It also helps your team or your workers to understand your design and to work on it accordingly. Now let's see the types of fashion illustration. Number 1, simple. Number 2, detailed. And number 3, digital. But we are mainly focused on the simple and the detailed types of illustration in this course. So let's first see what is simple illustration. In simple illustration, you just illustrate your designs of your dresses, whether you illustrate on a fashion figure or mannequin. You don't give any further detail about the design or about the elements used in that design. So let's illustrate a simple dress design.
So I am going to illustrate on a 10 head figure. If you haven't seen my video on how to draw a 10 head figure, then the video is mentioned above. Go and watch it now. First of all, we have to draw a fashion structure or a fashion figure. I am drawing a rough sketch from pencil, that's why it's not clear or highlighted. Now after fashion figure, I am drawing the dress on it. I am drawing a long shirt with a straight trouser. Now it's time for the hairstyle. Now it's time for some details. I have designed a row of pearls on it. So we have designed a two-piece simple dress. Now highlight it by the use of pointer and paint it according to your design. I'll teach you how to paint a fashion figure in next class, inshallah. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next class. Allah Hafiz.